video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a minimal MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The MLO will cost you around $35. You just to click over here and purchase the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the minimal MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here. With this MLO, you will get 3 different types of shops. First one is burger shop, second one is weed shop, the third one is jewelry shop. So let's get inside the burger shop. So this is a burger shop MLO which you will get with the mini mall. This is the restroom over here. This is the reception of the burger shop. So there's a kitchen inside over here. This is the storage room. And finally, this is the manager's room. Now let's check out the weed shop. So this is a weed shop over here. And this is the locker room of the weed shop. And this is the manager's room. Now finally, let's check out the jewelry shop. This is a jewelry shop over here, and this is the waiting room of the shop over here. This is the storage room, and this is a jewelry cutting area. And I think this is the meeting room. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.